Hello everyone, this is Lucas from LandPack in China, which is a manufacturer with over 16 years experience in customizing and producing the packing and filling machines. It is the coffee capsule, which is very common in our daily life. Today, we'd like to make a detailed introduction about how are these product packaged. This is our customized for our customer the coffee capsule packing machine. We can customize this machine into the liquid coffee or the powder coffee. It's depending on your requirements. Now let us make a detailed introduction about the working station of this machine. For our machine, the touch screen and also the PLC, we adopted the Siemens. So now let us make a detailed introduction about the working stations of this machine for you. This is the working station 1, and this is the device which we customize for our customer to quickly refill the empty cups into the storage hopper. And for this working station, they will automatically feed the empty cups into the rotary table and then move to the next working station. This is the working station 2. Here is the electric eye sensor to identify whether there are empty cups on the rotary table, and if not, they will send a signal to the dosing system to stop the measuring and filling. And this is the working station 3 for the powder measuring system, dosing hand. It will automatically measure and fill the powder into the empty cups. Working station 4 for the cups cleaning to ensure good sealing performance of the finished products. This one is the air blowing device to clean the cups firstly. This one is the negative pressure deducting device to clean the powder on the rim of the cups. And this one is the collection device. Working station 5. This one is the foil fill automatically fitting onto the cups. Working station 6. Here is an electric eye sensor to identify whether the previous working station successfully fit the foil fill onto the cups. If not, they will send a signal to the next working station. Working station 7. Hot sealing to seal the foil fill on the cups. Working station 8. Output. This working station will automatically take the finished product out of the rotary table and then put them onto the conveyor line. So let us show you the working process of this machine for you. After the detailed introduction of this machine, you must be well understand of this machine. If you have more questions or want to know more details about this machine, please feel free to contact us by the link as below. See you next time.